brought to the court's attention that Mr. Copeland's counsel, Ms. Bumpus, would like to be released. Is that correct, madam? Yes, sir. Okay, all right. Sir, Mr. Copeland, is it your desire to release your counsel at this point in time?
She's fired.
She's fired? Okay. So do you wish to represent yourself in these particular, in terms of any issues you may have in this particular...
Do I got a choice?
I'm sorry?
Do I got a choice?
Yes, you do.
And what are those?
Well, you can keep your lawyer that you have right now.
I don't want her.
All right. You could certainly hire another lawyer, or the court could appoint you a lawyer.
What I need a lawyer for?
No, it's just the court is just asking you whether it's your choice, sir.
I'm good.
You're good?
Yeah.
Ms. Bumpus, did you file an entry of appearance? All right. Did you, under the Uniform Superior Court rules, file a motion to withdraw pursuant to the Uniform Superior Court rules? I mean, I know you've given oral notice, but usually it has to be in writing, and he has 10 days to object.
Just for the record, I was never his counsel.
Say again?
I was never his counsel. Attorney Glanville was his counsel, and I was stepping in as a courtesy for judicial efficiency. I was to withdraw.
Well, given the fact that you have represented Mr. Copeland at this point in time, it would seem appropriate that you do need to, in fact, file a formal withdrawal. Even though you didn't enter one, you de facto entered this case by your representation of him, or you telling the court that you did, in fact, represent him. So at this point, I'm not inclined to release you until that's done.
Okay, I'll get that done now, Judge.
Okay, all right. And he's got 10 days to go ahead and do that. So you're still going to have to be here until I have because he gets that particular period of time to go ahead and decide whether or not he'd like to hire a lawyer. That's the whole reason for the 10 days.
Well, I don't want to hire no.
Hold on. Not yet. You get that right as a party. Okay.
You right?
You do. Yes. You get that right to hire a new lawyer. You get the right to do a couple things. One, to decide whether or not you can release her.
Okay.
Okay. Two, you get to decide whether or not you want to get another lawyer to be with you.
Okay.
Okay. Those are the two big things you get a chance to kind of decide. But what I'm going to do at this point in time is, since she's representing you, I'm going to make her file a formal notice to withdraw. She's orally told you at this point in time she wants to withdraw. But you're on the stand. You're testifying at this point in time. So I'm not going to let her withdraw at this point.
Well, Your Honor, I just would like to say, before he started testifying, I was fired.
I don't know that, ma'am. That's not something that I have noticed.
What is going on?
So, that's the whole purpose of the rule, so that we can flesh out all those things. So at this point in time, I'm not inclined to let you go at this point. I'm sorry that you put yourself in this particular situation when you and Mr. Melnick and whatever, but, Mr. Copeland does have rights in this particular circumstance. So file a proper notice to withdraw. I'll give once it's filed, if you file it today, I'll give Mr. Copeland the 10 days, but until such time as I rule upon that and he gets that and gets an opportunity to think about what he'd like to do, I'll go ahead and insist that you remain with us while he's on the stand.
Okay, Judge.
I'm not gonna lie, this case right here is the wildest case I've ever seen in my 40 years of living. Like, I'm not even joking. Like, god damn, any and anything when it comes to nonsense, just some ratchet ghetto stuff. Like, god damn, man. Like, where to start? where to start? Like, at some point this case gotta get thrown out, no? Like, I mean, I ain't no lawyer or nothing like that, but I mean, I've been watching a few cases, and this thing is just like I said, just it's a joke. It's a clown show. You know what I mean? One would honestly mistake this whole thing right now for some kind of sitcom. Like, what the hell? You know what I mean? First of all, Woody, aka Miss Lil Woody, YSL Woody. I mean, I don't know if he's trying to like backpedal now because he's seen Thugger and he's feeling, oh, I can't snitch no more, or I don't know, but I just feel like he's backpedaling. Feel like he's trying to go against the whole snitching now, where it's like, bro, you already snitch, you already get immunity, you're gonna testify, keep doing it. Now he's trying to give up, he's trying to fire his lawyer. Even with the lawyer, guys, like, I ain't gonna lie, I wouldn't want my lawyer coming to court dressed like this. And I know a lot of people probably gonna hate me and say, what's wrong with how she dressed? But this is what you dress. This is how you dress when you're going to like a party or brunch. You know what I mean? A family function, a Sunday, outing, not to court. Look at what these young people here. Look at these people here. Jacket, suit. Even though hers is green, it's still a jacket suit. You know what I mean? Everyone here is wearing all that, and then she's wearing. Like I said, I wouldn't want her representing me. As for the things between her and Lil Woody, something clearly is going on, something personal, because the way she's looking at him and he's looking at her, and I ain't gonna lie, everybody can agree, Lil Woody's a little zesty too. So I don't think he's trying to get with her, in the bed or anything. I just think they're two bad bitches, because Woody come across like a bad bitch. You know what I mean? So, and then like I said, the way she dressed with that tight pants with the booty out and all that, and the attitude on the face, like I said, she could never represent me. But anyway, y'all leave in the comments, let me know how you guys feel about this case. Like, you think this case is ever going to actually, get serious and actually, do what it's supposed to do? And, at some point, whether Thug is going to be free or, get prosecuted, going to, get sentenced, like, will it ever reach there? Because all these different, hiccups here and there, Thugger's lawyer yesterday, he got held in contempt, so now he has served 20 days, I think, in jail or some shit like that. And he even asked the judge if he can serve it with Thugger. Like, this right here is like some Netflix, Netflix court series. But anyway, enough of me rambling. Y'all remember, like, share, and subscribe, and leave below in the comments. Let me know how you guys feel about Lil Woody firing his lawyer, and then his lawyer, like I said, like, I don't know if she knew, like, the way she dressed, like I said, her attitude and all that, her hands in her pocket, the way she's addressing the court, the judge, like, to me, it's just ghetto. It doesn't show professionalism. You know what I mean? So maybe that's why Lil Woody's just like, yo, this whole time you've been, you're not even been helping me properly. You got me here snitching, looking like an idiot. But anyway, enough is enough. Remember, like, share, and subscribe. See you guys soon. Bye.